Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're here for the first time, you're absolutely welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you're doing amazingly great. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you for coming back. My name is Nike, and in today's video I'm going to be making dinner rolls. You can also call it bread balls or bread rolls or bread buns, whichever way you prefer to call it. So all the recipes I'm gonna be using and the measurement are gonna be in the description. Kindly check out my description to check out for the recipes and the measurement I'll be using for these dinner rolls. So I'm going to be using flour, I'm going to be using sugar, yeast, salt, and nutmeg, and I'm also going to be using milk and egg. And if you don't have milk, it is optional. You can choose to use warm water, but just make sure you're using warm milk or warm water. It's always better for you to use warm water or warm milk, so it's gonna come out very soft and nice. So I'm gonna be mixing all the dry ingredients alongside the wet ingredients. You saw when I put the eggs and the one egg and the warm milk together in a cup, so I had to pour it in the in the dry ingredients, and I had to mix. So I had to cover it for it to rest for 15 minutes, and then I'm trying to grease the pan. That is what you see me doing. I'm using butter to grease the pan, and this is after 15 minutes. After 15 minutes I'm gonna be kneading it. I'm so sorry guys, I'm using my hands. I ran out of gloves, that's why I'm using my hands to do the kneading. So I'm gonna be kneading for like 5 to 7 minutes before I now have to add the butter. The measurement of the butter, the amount of butter I'm using is also in the description below. Kindly check it out. So I'm gonna be mixing the butter alongside with the kneading, with the dough. So I'm gonna knead for at least 10 to 12 minutes, depending. If you don't want to knead for that long, you can actually just knead it for like maybe 8 minutes, but I just like to knead it for as long as I want, for like 10 to 12 minutes. So now I'm gonna be cutting the dough into 7 portion, because I'm going to make it into balls. So depending on how many balls you want to make, or how many rolls, depending on how many rolls you want to make, but for this purpose I'm going to be making 7 rolls. So this is how I'm going to mold it. And as I mold, I'm going to be putting it in the baking pan that we have greased with butter. So I'm going to be putting the bread rolls inside, and at this point we're gonna cover it and let it rest again, and this time it's gonna stay for 30 minutes. And make sure you keep it in a warm place. Even if it's not warm, you can just leave it on your countertop and just cover it with a plastic bag or maybe with a cloth, just like in the video. So now I'm gonna be putting it in the oven, depending on how high your oven is. But my own oven with 350, it's hot and high enough, so you can just put it there and let it bake for like 35 to 40 minutes depending on your oven. So now our bread is out of the oven, and I'm using butter to oil this bread. See how beautiful this bread came out, guys. And I can't even wait for this bread to get cold. So I'm gonna be showing you guys as it is hot, you get. So you can see the steam coming out from the bread. This bread is soft and fluffy. You can actually take this bread with anything, with Nutella. You can take it with hot chocolate milk. You can take it with coffee, whichever way you want to enjoy your bread. You can even eat it like this. You can put butter, and then you can put margarine, whatever you want. You can put some people like cheese, whichever way you want it. You can just take it with other meals. So guys, let me know if you're going to be trying out this recipe. It is very easy to make, very easy. Your kids are going to love it, your family will love it. So thank you guys for watching my video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye, love you.